What's up people, today I'm going to show you a bit of a different activity. I'll be remapping my own Volvo V40. This operation is not very do-it-yourself friendly as it requires some specialized tuning equipment, but I thought it might still be an interesting process to record for some of you. The first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the car battery. On the V40s and other Volvo models equipped with this ECU, remapping through OBD port is not possible as the ECU is locked, so it needs to be removed and done on bench. The unpleasant part, guys, is the location of the ECU, which is positioned behind the wheel arch cover, so to access it, car needs to be lifted and wheel removed. This ECU location is not ideal as it making it very exposed to environmental conditions, although I haven't heard of many ECU failures on those. In a rainy weather or if you don't have the engine under tray on, this could easily turn into a horror story. Anyways, we lift the car up and remove the wheel. The arch cover screws are T25 Torx. This is where the ECU is located. We continue with removing the screws of the plastic cover. We carefully remove the plugs and take the ECU out. The ECU is now on our improvised bench and we now need to open the pin out of it and connect it to the tuning tool. We read the original ECU file and upload the modified version after that. We install everything back together. We connect the battery and check if the car will start. So we can finally go for a test drive. The estimated gains are 35 horsepower and 70 Newton meter, so yeah, you could definitely feel it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Check out the links in the description if you're interested in similar software services, and see you next time.